how to create shapes. So these are some of the articles you can select on the web page. So they mainly mentioned about how to create the buttons and everything. So this is the one design they are mentioned about. So what is the size of the button? How button is to be created? What is the corner radiance? And what is the alignment in button? And all the things they are mentioned clearly. So we are doing something. See all birds. So more prominent words here and color. And here also high emphasize, medium emphasize, low emphasize. How you need to put it. So view itinerary, add a entry. So plus button is there add. So you need to understand the psychology of the design through learning one. Then after you design the buttons. Okay, here also one article is here. You can see that this is a very important. So when you are working the designs for mobile, maximum your tip will be 10 to 14 mm. So minimum you need to have a button size of 15 mm. You should not lateral 14 mm. You should not create less than 15 or 14 mm. So here also they are mentioned about each one. See here it is remove button. All base color will be red. So you can understand that okay, some dangerous is happening. You are removing. Cancel button is dark. So they are mentioned each and everything here. This is a normal button, rounded corners, corner button. This is a button having drop shadow. This is outer layer button. There is no color inside. So to practice this, before you need to understand what exactly button is there. So each button there is a name is button with score, button with rounded, button with shadows and ghost button. So I'm coming back to Photoshop. So I created some buttons. You know that these buttons are available. You must have seen in the web pages and everything. And what you need to, you can recreate the button exactly the same. These are the player controls. These are the just a rounded button. This is you must have seen that. This is also the left and right. You can see that this is the drop shadow rounded one and like this type of button. Only two sides is rounded and top is not sided. A lot many buttons you can created using shapes and everything. Try to use this. Then one more thing you need to understand that when creating the buttons, that is I am not explaining the last video. When you create this one square, so when you left click, it will automatically it is a free from it is. So any direction that you can draw it. But if you want a square, you need to press shift that you know that. And if you want to, this is I put the layer, the same layer I put, I just draw another layer again because this layer I draw it, so that's why that layer effects and layer style is. And if you want to shift alt, you can see it is enlarging both sides. This is designed accordingly, so it's enlarging both sides. But if it is free from is available, just you can click any anchor points, it is free from is available. So that's all about. So try to create exactly same buttons and read the what are the button properties before doing the button. And always you create when you take the type the text on the buttons, that is another thing. I'm not taking the text. So whenever you type the text on the buttons, always select sharp edge, but don't take it times new roman. So that the buttons, what is the problem in times new roman? I'll show you what is the problem it's happening. So you can see the smaller edges will be there. It's a problem for printing also. Very thin areas are there. But if you are taking the other buttons like this is 24 point, if you think about that, this is around maximum button we will put the size point size is 10. So you think about what are things would happen if it is a 10 point. You can see this corner is not, it won't print properly in printing also, in website also you cannot see properly if you put it on a dark background. And so you need to go area. So not Arial is not come Arial narrow. So you can see sharp edges. Otherwise, Vardhana or Roboto. So these type of shapes you need to use it. Why this type of shape you need to use it? Sometime we will give here it's white, button color should be white in a dark background. So it will display. So these are the things mentioned in button guidelines. You need to read that accordingly and importance. You create the button, remove is a red color and cancel is a black color. And inside the text, what is the size of the text, what is the size of the button, what is the height of the button, width of the button, everything will be mentioned that. But I given some sample buttons you need to understand. When you are working as a graphic designer or web designer, you need to understand the standards. So you can create everything, but without understanding the standards, you are create something. So immediately when you are working in new firm as a new joinee or experienced person, they will directly this person doesn't know about the design system. He doesn't know what is the standards, but you need to understand the standard then design whatever things you are going to design in Photoshop. Thank you for watching, but please recreate these things. I will upload the same files in resources. Thank you for watching.